Hello, my friends, and welcome again to this excited and amazing app. In this project, we are going to create an app that fetches the popular movies from the tmdb.org website. So we are going to fetch the data according to this syntax, the JSON syntax, and then we are going to modify it to display it into the recycler view according to the MVVM design or pattern architecture, and we are going to use the main goal of this application, which is the paging library. So this application is 90% its target according to the paging library. So we are going to learn how to use the paging library. So the main purpose of this application is learning how to use the paging library. Also, we are going to learn what we have created in the previous videos. We're using the retrofit. Also, we are going to implement a very important framework for dependency injection called LiveData, and we have with that we have seen it in the dependency injection section. Also, we will use our friend Glide to display the images. We are going to use the lifecycle version and the ViewModel. So this application is very important in terms of learning how to fetch the data using the paging library according to the requested things from the user. So, for example, if we are going to if the user scroll down with this application until the page number 6. So if we put page number 6, we get this. But in the previous videos and previous applications, we are going to request a bunch of codes and many other unused data. So the user requested and scroll according to page number 6. We don't need page number 7. In the previous applications, we were fetching page number 7, 8, and so on, despite their use. So the user don't use them. In this application, we are going to fetch the data according to the user's demand. So the page equal to 6, or the user scroll, for example, 6 times. So we are going to fetch only 6 pages. So whenever the user scroll down, he will get more data. So according to the user scrolling, according to the user's request, we are going to fetch the data. This is called, and this is the very important use of the paging library. So this is very important application if you are going to fetch a well-defined less memory usage application and network bandwidth saving application. So if you are excited, let's start making and building this application from zero, and we are going to be professional coders, and we are going to make our own career, our own professional Android app development career. So are you excited? Yes, me too. So let's start building this